What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Cooking with King Fletch. Today we're going to be making garlic lemon butter chicken, chunks of garlic and chunks of shallots in there, along with a little bit of thyme and some cilantro. Okay, let's go ahead and get right into it. I'm going to go ahead and chop my garlic. And I'm actually using chicken wings, wingdings rather, for this. I'm also going to make some white rice and some broccoli to accompany this chicken. And this is going to be pretty good also. Not pretty good, it's going to be fantastic. So I hope y'all try it at home. Feel free to comment on the videos. Let me know how I'm doing. What I could change. There's Trinity. Or any request for things that you would like to see me cook at home. Or maybe you'd like to see done that you already cooked that you would like to see done another way. Or perhaps what I would do differently. So yeah, let's get interactive with this channel, you guys. I need everybody to tune in with me and you know, like I said, talk to me. Let me know what's going on, what you'd like to see me cook, and you know, if you have any further questions on any videos that I might have posted or anything that I might have left out that would be helpful for you, let me know. We get interactive with this thing and everybody can kind of communicate. We'll all know what's going on here. This is my shallot. I'm just going to slice that into little rings like this here. I almost lost one of them. Now that's all sliced up. So now we're here. Our skillet is heating up. Just add some extra virgin olive oil. I'm going to go ahead and add my chicken in here while it's heating up. Now this is going straight in here like this. No batter, nothing. It's just going to be a straight skillet toss until they're nice and crispy. Alright, so before we let these get to doing too much, we're going to add in some Lawry's garlic salt, regular garlic powder, and add some black pepper. Add a little bit of cayenne pepper. This is ground cayenne. Just to add a little kick to that. Before I let it get to cooking too far in, I'm going to just drizzle that top with a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. So that I can just run off in there. Alright, so my chicken has started to cook. I'm going to add a little bit more extra virgin olive oil right down there in the middle. And I also brought like a third of a stick of butter. I know that's an odd number, but yes, it's a third. And I'm going to just sprinkle my garlic throughout this whole little skillet. Just sprinkling my garlic in there. And I'm also going to put these shallots in there. So we can get this party started. And everything can go ahead and start cooking up. And along with that, put that thyme in there too. Just break that up. Drop it on down in there. Alright. That's in there. I'm going to move everything around a little bit. Because we want everybody to get married. Now it's starting to take on a look, starting to look like something, man. That chicken's starting to brown up. What it's going to be like on the outside, it's going to be crispy like that. Got oil, got butter, get the milk down. It's going to have all those other flavors in there, giving life to it. Alright, so my chicken is just about done. I'm just add some lemon zest in there. And this is just before I squeeze my lemon. I gotta put that zest down in here. And lemon juice. Lemon juice. Lemon juice. It causes a quick flare up. Now we're just gonna mix it all around. And lemon is a good salt substitute. for those who are watching trying to get some tips. I repeat, lemon is a good salt substitute. So I just sprinkled in my cilantro that I previously cut up. I'm gonna add some lemon juice in there. These wings are fresh off the fire. We're just gonna toss them. Just toss them. Let everybody get a nice little amount of everything on there. Got the cilantro in, we got the lemon in. Sorry. Guys from the bottom, go ahead and get you some cilantro and some lemon on you. And we just toss those. And I'm getting ready to plate everything. That's it, baby. Lemon, butter, garlic, and herb wings with broccoli and white rice. Yes, Lord.